Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the snipping tool is not working on Windows 11. So when you are trying to open the snipping tool and it's not opening and it's giving you some kind of errors, so I will show you how to fix it. So what you can do is you can click on here start menu, then click on settings, and once you click on settings you need to click on here apps, then click on default apps and search here snipping, and if you are not able to see the default apps, just click on here, then click on install apps, and you should able to see the snipping tool here. Click on three dots, go to advanced options. First of all, you need to repair your snipping tool, and once you repair it, check back if that fix your issue or not. If still not fix your issue, then you can reset the app here. Now once you reset the app, see if that fix the issue or not. If it doesn't fix your issue guys, so I should suggest you to uninstall the apps, but before that you need to make sure that MS Store is opening on your Windows. Type store, open the Microsoft Store, just click on uninstall, and I'm uninstalling to just to show you that you can also uninstall it safely. Now it's uninstalled, you can see here. So open the store, and on the search you need to type here snipping tool, and you can see here the snipping tool is this app. You need to click on get option, and once you click on get option you need to wait here for some time until it's gets downloaded completely. And once it is downloaded, you have to relaunch the snipping app and see it will fix the issue. Also, if this is also unable to fix your issue guys, you need to make sure that your window is up to date. Just click on check for update and your window will install all the packages including this app as well. So I hope guys this video is really helpful for you and your issue has been fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.